Una sa tanan, nagapasalamat din ako sa batch 1980. Tanan sila nag-ugyon para materialize ini nga reunion. Amo na nga gintinguhaan gid sang core group nga matabo ini nga reunion para magkita-kita ang batch 80 after 45 years. Damo na ang nawala, gani kinahanglan na gid ini nga reunion para sa amon nga banding-banding kag para man nga hindi malimtan sang kada isa nga sila halin sa batch 80. Salamat.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Ang message ko lang sa batch 1980 ay let us keep the tradition na palagi tayong magkaroon ng reunion or pagkita-kita every 5 years hanggang sa kaya natin, hanggang may buhay pa tayo. Huwag tayong titigil, pagpatuloy natin para yung ating samahan ay hindi masisira, hindi natin makakalimutan yung bawat isa.
Watch the rising of the sun, the shadows start to run. Standing at the start of something great. See the hope that lines the sky, and we'll let it be our guide. I won't close my eyes. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good.
My highest felicitations and greetings to the beautiful people from the Notre Dame of Tacloban Boys and Girls Batch 1980. Okay. As the school head of San Rafael Elementary School, we are, and in behalf of the teaching force and the pupils, we're very grateful for this opportunity, for choosing our school as the beneficiary of your outreach program. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone.
We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. On to something good. That lines the sky. We'll let it be our guide.
I'm happy to see you once again after 10 years ago nga last reunion. Pero memorable gid ang 45th year naton, hindi lang basta-basta ang aton nga preparation. I hope after 5 years pilit anay naman liwat and in good health. God bless us all.
And if we hold on tight.